All right, people, Manus is back. Manus is back. As you guys can see right here, I am doing my upload live, but it's not without issues. If you know Manus, it's not without issues. So I'm here to help you guys fix it and so that you don't have any issues, okay? So I'm using my PC. It's not, the fix has nothing to do with PC or Mac. The fix has to do with hard download. So all my data is saved to my Google Cloud. To my Google Drive, right here, in there. Let me see. Just click one of these, open these up. Boom, Google Drive, right? That's where my backup is. But when I went through the process here on my Mac, I was trying to connect to the Google Drive, and it kept giving me an error, an HTTP 403 error. So I've been talking to Manus. The websites are not back up, but you can see Manus. Your tasks are there, or whatever, in the side. I'm not going to do that because I haven't even seen it. The second Manus opens up, you have to click and start this process. It failed 3 times. So I asked it, hey, I have the ability to download all of the files, which I did. I came to my PC, I went to my Google Drive, which I'm not gonna touch anything here. I went to my Google Drive, I downloaded everything because I got like 2 terabytes of storage here on my PC. I only have like a 512 gigabyte drive or whatever on this one. This hard drive is only like 512. So, and then I got a bunch of these SSDs and hard drives and stuff like that, but I didn't feel like plugging them in and downloading. I didn't feel like doing all that. So I'm like, okay, I'll just use my brand new PC. I'll just download it and then I'll try it. So it told me right here, I'll actually read it to you. It said, I said, any update? It said, yes, use the files on your computer. Because up here, I was like, hey, I have a zip file folder of the files on my computer. Should I try to upload that or just let you guys work on the fix? It said, please hold off on uploading the zip folder until I confirm whether the file type is supported for data restoration. I'm checking the documented file requirements now. It said, then I said, any update. This was like 30-minute difference between this right here and this right here is like a 30-minute difference. It said, yes, use the files on your computer only if they are original task data backup packages generated by Manus. Do not upload a zip you created yourself. Do not unzip, merge, rename, edit, rewrite. I already know that. So I said, okay, I did that. Came over here, went through the same process that you see right here. So I clicked restore. It's going to prompt you, and then it's going to give you the ability to either drag and drop or upload or, so I did that, and look, it's doing pretty good. So I'm gonna, this will be one whole video. I'm at like 3 minutes now. This will be one whole video of if it's successful. Now, if it's not successful, they told me let them know. It is uploading because it wouldn't even do that here. So if it is successful, then it will reflect here on my Mac and anywhere else I have Manus on my phone and everywhere, and it should be good to go. And I'll check and republish my websites, and everything should be good to go. It's 8:27 here, Houston Standard Central Time. So this Manus actually came back for me at 7 o'clock. So I think that's like 9 or 8 o'clock in the East Coast and wherever else. So, which is pretty cool. So this has a lot. It was like, this one is my smaller one. This is my latest download. This was my latest update. I had 3. I had one on August 11th, 2 on August 22nd. And the last one was actually, the first one I did on August 22nd was like 100 and something gigs. The second one was only like 80 something. That's this one. I don't know why it was less. I have no clue why it was less. I just figured, fuck it, I'll just go with the latest one is upload. Maybe I should have went with the earlier one that day. I don't know. I guess I'll find out if I screwed myself or not, but you guys will be the first to know. So this will be one whole video. I'm not going to part it out so that you guys have to wait. I'm going to go ahead and end it here, and then I'll be back with what's going on. All right, so I think we're all done. It says 5 minutes left. Restoring will continue in the background, so you can return to Manus and keep working. I'm not going to go to Manus. I'm not going to do anything until I see my stuff back. I still have this. Let me get rid of this. So I'm not gonna get rid of this. I'm not gonna update this guy till this is done. So I'm gonna go have dinner and then I'll be back. 4 minutes left. Okay, so something happened now. Well, when I started the camera right before I started filming, it was 44 minutes. Now it's 54 minutes. So I don't know, I'm not gonna touch it. And I am hardwired into my computer, to my PC, so as long as nothing, no acts of God happen, I should be good. Then again, there we go, 87 gigs. 22 files are uploaded successfully. I did expect this to take a very long time to work all of this stuff back in the Manus. It's gonna take a seat. Now it's up to an hour and 5 minutes. So it's 9 o'clock at night here in Texas. So I assume this is gonna be a long process. It might be 3-4 hours. Hopefully it's not. Hopefully it's like 1 hour and 5 minutes. But either way, I'm gonna find some other stuff to do, work on, eat with my family, play some games, and then not touch this computer. And again, I did have one that was 100 and something gigs. So I'm gonna see if anything's missing. That's my biggest thing. That's my number one task that I care about is my Kiwi and my Flash Custom Transfers. Actually, in my Carl's Garage too. So, and my Legacy Grid. Actually, so I got a lot that I care about. I got a lot that I care about that really are my life. Like my blood, like my lifeline. I can't lose those, or it's tragedy. So let's hope. Let's hope. All right. So I kind of knew this was gonna happen because when I did this, something popped up on Reddit and said that this is happening, and not to try to do your restored data now, because this would happen. So I took the picture on my iPhone. I'm gonna send it over here to this chat, and then I'm also gonna hit contact support here and see what's going on. But yeah, I was hoping that guy's Reddit thread was not truthful, but it is. So I'm gonna end the video here. And yeah, restoring backed up data does not work as of 10:15 p.m. August 24th, 2026 in Manus.